You're leading that smaller pack.
Yeah. This is a really good angle here. Guy checking his watch.
So, Kat, are you ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
All right, what are we doing today?
Shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna do some shopping and
Smells like mall.
Well, let's go in the mall. Come on.
Ah! I have to make an announcement. There is no more electricity. There is an earthquake.
Where are we going next?
Morning glory.
Gotta be loud.
Morning glory.
So we're out. Catalina, how was your shop experience?
Good.
Yeah? What'd you get?
Slime notebook.
Slime notebook?
You want to show it?
No way.
Later at the house.
Camera
Later at the
girl
house.
is
Okay.
not on camera right now.
I know.
What? So,
It's the Ruben cam.
Ruben cam, right? Just hopped out of Forever 21 because we did a lot of shopping at different other stores, as you can see. And basically, we're off to Starbucks. So, yeah, this is the shop vlog right here. Beautiful day here in SoCal. Take a look. All right.
Okay, Kat, what did you get from the store?
Okay, so first, some slime. Boba. It's not that stretchy. Then this flamingo notebook.
Cute.
And then this stretchy eraser.
Oh, I didn't even see you get that.
And then this pencil case that has this to wear pencils, this to hold it up, sharpener, and then stand to hang it, and class schedule and little compartment, and then some pocket sticks. That's it.
And time for Ruben's haul.
So, went to H&M, searched around for some stuff. You know, found some goodies. Got some running socks. I'll take it. 5 for $13, not bad. And got myself a plain red hoodie. So that was my major haul. not even impressive.
I know. Like, it got popular for a second.
Some video.
I mean, it looks really cool on camera.
Really?
Yeah.
That one?
Uh-huh.
And then this one. And then this one. And then, oh. This one. Done.
Can't lift yourself up?
Porter doesn't really get cameras. Just like what?
He used to hate it when he was young. It's like he knew I was taking the pictures. Wild.
Oh, wild.
Can't bring you inside yet, Wander, but you're making me sad because I see you shivering. This blanket smells.
Taco time. Taco time with Wander.
But I didn't cover his head.
Okay, guys.
Probably the issue.
So. Getting the thingamajig out.
He looks like that.
You want to do a Q&A?
Yeah.
What kind of Q&A?
Yeah, you gotta get the question.
Baka!
Everyone, like, it's gonna be like
I didn't turn it in.
video.
Woo woo.
Throw us some questions. In there.
Okay.
Yeah.
House to go.
Barely get enough for like a lot.
Hey, Thea.
How many people are on the live stream?
This is great. Just great.
What's just great? Just great. Are you gonna write cat was here?
Ay, 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 ay. Feel like a heart. Wait, no. We'll put cat was here. Cat was here. That looks awful. Not acceptable. Okay. Cat was here. Chun-chun-chun.
Or I personally like to revise my, my captions, my descriptions, because some of them are just lame.
Yeah.
Just gotta like revise it. What are you doing?
I want to say bye. So, bye.
my lower back.
Oh my god.
Right here.